There's no pain quite like being left behind by someone you gave your heart to. When she walked away, maybe she thought you'd fall apart. Maybe she assumed you'd beg. But what if I told you that the real way to make her regret losing you isn't by chasing, but by transforming? You don't need revenge. You need evolution. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to become the kind of man who doesn't just move on, but becomes unforgettable. 1. Rebuild in silence and let the results speak. When a woman leaves, most men react emotionally. They text, they call, they plead. But nothing kills attraction or respect faster than desperation. Silence, on the other hand, is mysterious. It makes her wonder. It creates space in her mind where your name echoes louder than before. Use that silence to build. Level up your body, your money, your peace of mind. Hit the gym not just for aesthetics but to rebuild discipline. Learn something new, take up a skill that adds value to your future. You're not doing it to impress her. You're doing it so the next time she sees you, she realizes she didn't leave a broken man. She left a man who became untouchable. 2. Upgrade your circle and energy. After a breakup, the people you surround yourself with become your emotional fuel. Cut off toxic friendships and start connecting with people who elevate your mindset. Join spaces where success is the norm. Women regret losing men who become magnets of energy, ambition, and social value. If she ever crosses paths with you again, whether in person or on social media, and sees you vibing with people who shine, who inspire, who thrive, that feeling of regret creeps in. Because women don't regret losing a man who stays stuck. They regret losing the one who outgrew them without bitterness. Your vibe becomes your revenge. 3. Find purpose bigger than her. Here's the truth most men overlook. The strongest version of you was never born when you were with her. It's born after the pain. Use the loss as fire to fuel something meaningful, whether it's your career, your health, your personal mission. When a man finds purpose beyond pleasing a woman, he becomes magnetic in a way no apology or comeback line ever could. She'll see you driven, fulfilled, laughing again, without her. And that's when it hits hardest. Because you became what she didn't believe you could become without her. And now, she's no longer the center of your story. You are. The goal was never to make her jealous. It's to become so whole that she questions why she ever let you go. If this message hit home, then you'll want to check out video number 10, How to Rebuild Confidence After a Toxic Relationship. It's a perfect companion to this one, and will help you reinforce the foundation you're building. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss the videos that are here to help you rise. Your comeback isn't coming, it's already in motion.